Alright, this is my harvest of my potatoes. They've been poking all out the bag. And it looks like I got a bag full of potatoes. My neighbor is deciding to weed eat. Ooh. A good little bit. Ooh. There's some nice worms in there too. It's a bag from everything here. Okay. Let's see. They done started re-rooting themselves. They gonna grow some more potatoes. That's what left them in there a long time. A little longer. A little bit. Ain't mad at it. Oh my God.
Never give up.
I got some taters. These are Yukon Gold. Yukon Gold potatoes. That's a funny shape.
Never give up.
Put these in some green beans. The small ones.
Never give up.
Oh, get out. Big one. Put this back in. I'll put it in the pot. finish whatever you were doing. That's it. Nice little harvest of potatoes.
Never give up.
I'm mad at it out that one little bag. So, yeah. There we have it. I'll plant some more. Alright, this is the potato harvest I got. I'm happy with it. That was just one bag. I think potatoes like growing in them grow bags. They seem to be pretty good. So, trying to show it on. Yeah. That's what we got. Alright, grow your potatoes. I see smashed potatoes roasted in the oven with some olive oil and salt and pepper, and then sprinkle with some Parmesan cheese after you smash them down. I see some potatoes and green beans.
Never give up.
I see some just potatoes stewed on the stove with some onions. Yeah, that's several little meals in there. Grow your own food.